Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. So if you haven't already, I would be happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. Today's video is in collaboration with Farmhouse Friday challenge, and then this is hosted by Meadowhillhome. If you haven't already, I'll leave the link of our channel in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So after you have viewed mine, please do click on the next video in the playlist. You would not be disappointed. You'll get so many beautiful videos with great inspirations. So today I'm going to do a couple of projects. So let's get started. So this is the final reel of my Easter projects, which are farmhouse style. And as you saw the process, this was one of the Dollar Tree basket. I painted black and I distressed it with white paint here and there. And I also used those strands from mop. I actually made it around the basket, and also the handle, I just twined it around the handle to decorate the handle. And then I just gave using one of the Easter ribbons, I just created bow and stuck one of the lavender or purple rose and some white roses, and I stuffed the bag with the Spanish moss, and those are those beautiful black eggs with all the designs. I just loved it. I wanted to display them in this basket. So yeah, this is one of the farmhouse style Easter basket full of eggs. And the next one is this cute ceramic bunny, and I painted white and I just highlighted his features. I just gave like paint in his ears and in eyes, and I highlighted all his features using fine tip Sharpie black color, and I gave one of the bow with the baker's twine, which is pink and white. I absolutely love this cute bunny, and he is in his own bunny station. And this is one of the tray that I created from my previous project, and I have Spanish moss, floral moss and I stuck few of the flowers, and I gave the back part of the flower. I also want to decorate it just like a bud, and I laid it here and there. Yeah, that's his badge. And I wrote fresh with chalk paint, and I gave one of the jute twine. And also these are my clothespin carrots from my previous project. I just gave like a fresh carrots, and then the bunny is trying to get those carrots. So that's the scenery I want to create here. So I absolutely love all these projects. So I hope you also enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today. And I'll see you again.